Kohatsu, and I'm the author of the cookbook Food with My Friends. I'm also a chef here at the Viking Culinary Center. I'm joined today by my good friend, chef and food stylist Eric Tochterman, who's going to show us his creative and yet easy recipe for watermelon rind. Eric, watermelon rind.
Watermelon rinds. We all have the dilemma. You just peeled a watermelon, you eat all the delicious flesh. What to do with all the leftovers? Usually it just goes in the trash.
Absolutely.
Or if you're really creative, you compost it.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
now, an old Southern favorite, pickling watermelon rinds. So here's what we do.
Okay.
After peeling your watermelon, what you're going to do is take a nice sharp knife and go ahead and peel that dark green skin, okay? And we're going to dice it. From there, you're going to brine the dice. And this has already been brined and also boiled.
Now, what's in the brine?
The brine is about a half a gallon of water and a quarter cup of kosher salt. Mix that and let this soak overnight in that brine mixture.
And just put it in the refrigerator?
Put it in the refrigerator, covered, let it sit.
Okay.
And this is from a quarter watermelon, just so you know.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then next morning, you go ahead, you drain this off, rinse it, and then boil it in another half gallon of water, or enough water that it's going to cover, and boil that for 10 minutes or until fork tender.
And that just kind of washes the brine off.
Washes the brine off, and it just kind of gets it nice and soft.
Wow.
From that point, here's where the fun starts. We do this nice little mixture of about 1 3/4 cups of sugar and 3/4 cups of vinegar. Now you can use white vinegar, rice wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and you boil that with your favorite spices. The traditional Southern style, you're looking at cinnamon sticks, cloves, and mustard seeds.
Sure.
And you boil that together for about 10 minutes. And you get this great little simple syrup, basically, is what it is.
Sure.
So after that 10 minutes, you go ahead and you put your brined and boiled watermelon rind in there, and you boil it for about another 10 minutes.
And this is what gives it its nice flavor, the sweetness or whatever spices that you're using, right?
Exactly. Nice little tang. So we would boil that for 10 minutes until you get this wonderful translucent thing. And I love that you can do anything with this. You don't have to stick with the Southern style. You can go Thai if you want. You can put ginger in there, lemongrass, lemon peel, coriander seed, Thai chilies if you wanted to. Really, really spice it up.
And once you put that in the simple syrup, it takes on a beautiful color too. It's like almost like a tea color.
It's great. It's nice and almost clear-like, and it's going to be great with pork, fish. I would also use it for like a charred corn salsa. Chop up the watermelon rind. It's going to give this nice little texture to it, nice little tang.
Oh, Eric, thank you so much for sharing such a great recipe. I'm Chris Kohatsu, and you've just finished watching How to Make a Watermelon Rind Recipe.